My bad. I didn't see it there. Well, as you may know, or as you may not know, as you may or may not know, yes, I did it. I started a business in 2021, but this isn't going to be a typical how to start a business. You need an EIN, let's build a website, let's do this, let's do that. Before we do any of that, we have to get you right, okay? You have to figure out what you're going to sell, okay? You have to figure out why you're going to sell it. You need the whole rundown. Let's get down to the basics. So we're just going to start about what I did. Just a little quick rundown. I know, don't go nowhere. Just a little quick rundown about me, alright? Now hold your horses. Something. What I did was I started my own sunglass line. I've been wanting to start my sunglass line since I was about 12 years old. And what really opened my eyes to make it seem like I could really do this was my junior year of high school. Yep, 16-year-old Lay. So 16-year-old Lay made a demo website in technology class about how to sell sunglasses. And I was like, wait a minute. If I can do this in technology, basically I made my own website in technology that's focused on running your own business. And I was like, if I can do this in technology class, I can make this come to life, okay? So, first I had to think about what I wanted to sell, why I wanted to sell it, how I wanted to sell it, and everything running around that. I'm like, don't be like me, be prepared. First things first, we have to get you planned out. Before I even decided on what I wanted to sell, I knew that everything has to be pitch perfect. Pitch perfect. Because I have to be perfect to pitch. We're going to take it all the way back to February of 2021. You're like, February? February. And I recommend getting a monthly planner. You can get any of these from Walmart, Target, Amazon, the Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Dollar General. Get you a planner. And do it in a timely fashion if you're really serious. Speaking of seriousness, this video is not going to be about anybody trying to start a business in one day, 1 hour, tonight. Because it ain't going to happen. I mean, if you can do that in that amount of time, be my guest and do it. If you can do it in one night, what do you need me for? Starting a business realistically could take you about a month, tops. 1 month, 2 weeks, you know. But one day, start a business in one day, and then inbox me. This was my month of February, you know, real dry, real basic. You see, I circled the day of when I would get paid, because I knew that I had to save up, because it costs money to spend money. It costs money to spend money, and to spend money, you gotta have money. So what are you gonna do to have money? That's right, you're gonna save. Okay. So I saved my money and I wrote down when I began paid. I know that I get paid every Thursday. Don't be trying to clock me now. This was at my old job. At my old job, I got paid every Thursday. I still get paid every Thursday. So then I set a deadline for myself. For February 28th, I said deadline to get a vendor. I started with a wholesale vendor. As you know, now I have a manufacturer. I started with a vendor. And I needed a deadline for that vendor because I knew that I wanted to, you know, sell my glasses. So after I got my vendor, after I finally found where I wanted to get my stuff from, I knew I had to move on to make the website. Now, my next deadline to make my website was March 27th. Mind you, I'm dropping the sunglasses March 29th. And I set a deadline to make my website March 27th. If you know you want to drop your sunglasses March 29th, make your website March 1st. Besides any of that, now we know when we're getting it, when we're starting, and where we're going to get it from. This is not in order, but I'm glad you're still here. As you can see, this was my March. This was my April. If you know that you're not going to have time to sit down and write this, you're not going to have time to sit down and get it done. Okay? You're probably like, Lay, who are you talking to? How you gonna tell me that I can't do? I don't care. I'm telling you how it is, and we're gonna keep it a stack with you. Alright? If you don't have time to write this down, you're not getting it done. Okay? Having a business takes planning. You have to plan out everything. You cannot just jump right into it and expect to get it done the next day. No. See, my April changed drastically. Now I had to figure out how much that I wanted to save. I just wanted to know how much I would save at this point, because that's how much it costs. Okay? You have to spend money to make money. I gotta look up that saying. It costs money to make money. Okay? As I said before, I wanted to drop my sunglasses March 29th. I have another date in here, April 16th, that says release sunglasses. Why? Because I made sunglasses for women and men. So now we're going to get into finding your audience. You have to figure out, who are you selling to? Is it going to be people in your age bracket? Is it going to be older people, younger people, babies, children? Okay? Who is it going to be? Women? Men? Dogs? Cats? You have to figure out who you're selling to. Okay? Your audience. I knew that I wanted to do women and men. And when I did women, all I got was, do you have sunglasses for men? When can I model your men's sunglasses? Can I be a brand ambassador for your men's sunglasses? That's all I heard. So I was like, okay, we gotta get this fast. Fast. And I got them men's sunglasses. It took a lot of work. I had to buy the sunglasses. I had to wait for them to get here. It was so much work. If you'd rather sleep in bed all day, if you feel like getting up at 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning is too hard, you know what it's saying. Don't do it. So now we're gonna go to the month of May. You know, stuff kind of, slacked up a little bit. It's not too much going on. Don't get me wrong, I wasn't resting, okay? Now we have to get into your social media. Now this kind of falls into the line of have fun. It can be business. But if you don't have fun, you're gonna get bored the next day. The very next day, okay? Have fun. Now, this is what I say it's time to work on your aesthetic. So, what I was going to say was basically, you do not want to be posting stuff on social media all willy-nilly, looking like you lost your mind. Are you kidding me? You better have some order. Now, mine isn't the best example to go off because I'm still working on my aesthetic myself, and I don't post too much. I'm gonna keep it real with you. This is how it looked when I first ever made my business page, okay? Not that. This is a no-go. Do not do this, okay? Don't do that, okay? This is what you want to show people. This is what you want to show people. That's what you want to show people. This is what you want to show people. You want to show them professionalism. Now, don't get me wrong. When I say have fun. Like, you don't have to post this, but make it your own and don't be sloppy about it. So, like, you can post little videos, just make sure you have the right setting. This ain't a good picture, but so for me, I know that I always knew that when I wanted to move to social media, that I wanted to have my own photo shoot for all my products. So that's exactly what I did. I was in there, I was excited about this. This was my men's sunglasses. We're going to talk about that. I was in there having a blast for recording these videos. Setting up my ring light, setting up a background, setting up all that. I used a jacket. Fun fact, that is a jacket. And what did I do? I set it over my TV and let it drip down, and that's what I got. this right here, it's a blanket. Yeah. And I put it over my TV. My TV was still on, as a matter of fact. My TV was on when I did this one. Yeah. Sure was. I was talking to my little sunglasses. I was like, you better pose. No, I wasn't. We want to show people professionalism, but you also want to show them, like, this is the real deal. Like, this is what it's going to look like in real life. A little trick when you want to, you know, buy wholesalers and you get it from, like, AliExpress, Alibaba, or anything like that. A little trick is that they have videos, okay? They have videos and they have pictures of their product. And then, if you're anything like me and you love editing and you love staying up all night, you love making sure that everything is perfect, you are the perfect one for this call. This was a sign. You needed to be here. You needed to see this. Have fun. How many times did I say it? Look at what I did. I knew that trick between me is I knew that I wanted to have sunglasses. And so someone that I really admired, we're gonna look her up. Someone I really admire, we love her. As a content creator, as a black-owned business, as a small business, she's not even small. Don't get me wrong, she's not small. But as a small business owner, as someone who like really had to come up through adversities and everything, this is someone that I look to. Hey. Now we back. Okay, that's all that matters. It'll be Hello Black Child. Now, she was the main one that I found about following your aesthetic. As you can see, she loves pink. And, alright, we're gonna look at this. Black Love Wednesday. Now, you know, this is just a little thing just to show her followers that she's up to date. But look at her background, look at her words, and, you know, look at her bio. That's gonna clearly relate to the post. Her card, pink nails, pink words, pink rainbow, pink. Keep all of that, you know, corresponding. That was my main inspiration. I was like, like what colors could I use? Like what in the world could I like link my anything to? Like how can I do that as well? Well, for starters, my logo is an Afro girl with sunglasses, and she's popping a pink bubble gum. My favorite color is rose gold. I'm gonna just say, like, make sure that it's still you, okay? Don't be fake. Like, you know, this is your business, this is your Instagram page. It has to be you in every single post you do. Bars. So I was like, my favorite color is rose gold, and I like the color purple. Like when I first started, I was like, I gotta do something purple. Then I realized if I do something purple, I gotta do something rose gold. And what did I do? Both. I did both. I can't pick a side. So the first ever one that I did like this was when I decided to not restock this pair of shades that wasn't doing too well. Yeah, I know, right? But you see the background is shades and it was purple. It was just, you know, basic black words. And then I asked people like, hey, should I keep that same background theme going on? A lot of people said no. A lot of people said yes, actually. But one person said no. And I'm over here like, you hater. I gave you the key. Now I'll lock the door. That's what we have on aesthetic. And, you know, if you want to check out that Instagram page, you know, it's 50 Shades of Lay. No biggie. Get you a binder. Shout out to my little sister, Deanna. She drew me this amazing picture. You over here like, Lay, what do I need a binder for? I'm not in school. What do you have a phone for if no one's texting you? What do you have a TV for if you're not going to watch it? What you got Instagram for if you're not going to post no pictures? What you watching this video for if you're not going to subscribe? Let's get into it. Get you a binder. Stop playing. And you probably like, Lay, I know you're not rating this video. I sure am. Now look, we're going to have another video talking about the exact things of what you need. But I had to get you in the right mind today. I'm sorry. So I know you probably like, Lay, I need help building a website. Lay, I need to know where I can get an EIN number from. Lay, where can I get my vendors from? Lay. Didn't I just say this video was over? Didn't I say that we're going to continue in another video? Yeah, the gist of this video was you can't start a business overnight. You're not going to get everything you need in this video tonight. All I can say is good luck with your business. If you want to watch someone else's video, go ahead and be my guest. You didn't have to click on this one, but you did. You dish in what you dish out. Good luck to you all. And if you want to know how you can get a website, how you can get that basically, if you want to know how you can start your own website, how you can get an EIN number, how you can get vendors, how you can get all of that jazz, you're going to have to subscribe, sis. You're going to have to turn on them post notifications, sis. You're going to have to like that like button, sis. If you want to find out any of that stuff, you're going to have to subscribe, like, and share this video so that we can get you the information you need. And we can get it fast. So hurry up. Thank you. Peace. I love each and every one of you. Thank you for watching my one and only video to YouTube. What's up, y'all? Y'all gonna have to get used to me because I ain't going nowhere. Get your snacks, grab a pillow, a blanket, and get comfy. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to end it. Oops.